Welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, which is Crypto Day, Sunday, the 27th of May, 2018. Expect the later morning videos to come on Sunday, this one being absolutely no exception. Daily chart for ZEN coin, and then we look at the 1 hour chart. Well, what I'm looking at is it gave back all of its gain instantly. Came back to where it came from. It's almost as if this move didn't even have to happen. But looking at some interesting Fibonacci from this high to this low. This level here corrected 61.9%. From this low to this high, it has corrected 64% to the downside. How do I know this? Because I did the mathematics on it, something I felt I wanted to do. But the original Fibonacci, man, this is almost perfect. It's hit that it happened amongst here. So when I see something like this, you have a 61 up, 61 back, you're in a neutrality situation, and this thing is ready. It's basically the range is now this high to where it is now. And breaking one side or another is going to give great determination for where this thing is going to be moving, because there's a lot of possibilities where this could go down big. But when we look at ZEN on a much longer term time frame, breaking this resistance would be deadly. Now, downside potential for main coins against the dollar doesn't look good. Let's mainly look at the 2 hour time frame, starting with Bitcoin. And amongst what I see here, of course, everything's always within your own risk, own reward, but this big level we can see has broken down. We have resisted where it has come from. I see it leaving this 18 average in here. It's Sunday, not much had happened, but it doesn't look anywhere bullish. It looks quite the exact opposite, everywhere bearish right now. 15-minute time frame, an encore presentation from yesterday. I talked about this in last night's video, and then boom, down she goes. Now this happened again, but this is an example of all of this happening up and down normally, not just someone buying instantly very big and then it just goes back to where it comes from in a normal large whale buy. And all even at a donkish whale buy, donkish as in, and that's a poker term. I mean, if you're going to buy big, that's not how you do it. But this was normal, because when we look at this on the 1 minute time frame, this 1 minute move happened and then it just gradually came back down. But this happened on multiple exchanges, because if I change this from Bitfinex to Coinbase, and I've already did a bit of drawing, the 1 minute time frame shows the same thing on here as well. And the daily time frame for Bitcoin, it just continues to look as if it's going to be heading lower, even though it's well below the 18 average of lows, which is a bearish situation. After the few days, it looks as if the 6,500 should be the next target. Now let's just go a bunch of other ones quickly on the 2 hour. We got Litecoin, which is hugging this 18 lows, definitely a bearish situation as well. Ethereum against the dollar has already broken down a little bit from this 18 lows, showing the same weakness of the sideways range, looking to fall lower. Dash on the 60-minute or 2 hour time frame rather has already broken down below its key support level up to the 18 average. This is definitely now an area of resistance, which was support prior. And finally, Cardano, ADA against the US dollar. This is looking weak. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Of course, everything you always do within your own risk, own reward. And yeah, so I'll give you if this thing is going to fall, I mean, really any of these areas in here is where I'd call potential targets. I'm looking for a decent leg lower than here, just like a decent leg lower here was here, and a decent leg lower here worked out there. Okay, have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.